10 Best Whiskey Tasting and Nosing Glasses. It's no secret that people like their whiskey in all sorts of ways. But if you want to impress friends and family with some fancy drinks, then you need a good set of glasses on hand. So let me break down everything from cheap tumblers to sipping cups so that you can find what suits your style best. Top picks for best whiskey tasting and nosing glasses. 1. Glencairn Whiskey Nosing Glass. Dubbed as the official whiskey nosing glass, this award-winning whiskey tasting glass is made with non-leaded premium crystal. Today, it continues to serve high-quality spirits due to its concrete base and tapering mouth that give you a smoother experience by increasing quantity. 2. Norlan Whiskey Nosing Glass. This glass has a uniquely modern shape and is made from materials that allow for the aromas of whiskey to be released properly. The protrusions on the bowl are specially designed to help release all these smells in an organized way, leading to a better taste experience. Also included a microfiber cloth, which will make it easier than ever before to clean your glass. 3. Schott Zwiesel Tritan Crystal Nosing Glass. The Schott Zwiesel is a must-have for every clumsy whiskey lover with superb durability from titanium and zirconium oxide. This snifter glass manufactured in Germany has no lead, unlike competitor glasses found online made with inferior material. It's also resistant to scratching, breakage, chipping, even thermal shocks. 4. Nachtmann Noblesse Whiskey Tasting Tumbler. The Nachtmann Noblesse Whiskey Tumbler is a set of 4 glasses made with non-lead Bavarian crystal. The design preserves the classic cut that diffuses ethanol during nosing and holds 9.9 ounces of liquid in each glass, which has its luxurious brilliance worth noting. 5. Riedel's Vinum Whiskey Nosing Glass. Launched in 1991, Riedel's Vinum collection is simply one of the best whiskey-tasting glasses that resemble a nosing Copita glass, but without the long stem. We enjoyed its finesse and how affordable it was for an artificial crystal glass set with 2 traditionally designed whiskey nosing glasses that kept their traditional outturned lip but modified them with short stems and solid bases. 6. Glencairn Whiskey and Sherry Nosing Copita Tasting Glass. The Glencairn's Whiskey and Sherry Nosing Copita glass is made with lead-free crystal and comes with a cap. The unique tulip bowl shape of the glass allows for a generous pour, which will keep alcohol vapors well activated at all times. With its small opening on top, this stemmed glass will effectively allow you to swirl your whiskey to fully absorb that aroma into it before pouring out the drink onto your mouth or nose for an excellent finish. 7. Final Touches Rocks Nosing Glass with Ice Ball Set. The Final Touches Rocks glass is one of the best whiskey nosing glasses, with its aesthetically pleasing design and practical shape. The base has a mold that assists in swirling, while an ice ball creates layers to release aromas better than just using cubes or no sphere at all. 8. Eisch Malt Whiskey Nosing Glass. One of the best whiskey nosing glasses is Eisch Malt Whiskey Nosing Glass. Handmade in Germany, this glass has a flared rim that makes it easy to activate all the dynamic layers on your palate when you drink whiskey. Beginner drinkers will enjoy how useful this glass can be compared to other single malt whiskey glasses because they are dishwasher safe and come with safe packaging for travel. 9. Visci Seneca Faceted Crystal Nosing Tumbler. The Visci Seneca Crystal Tumbler is a stunning glass that also offers user-friendly qualities. It features a triangular base and trigonal sides, which create refracted light when the tumbler is placed down on any surface. The added specks of light will make your drink look delicious. This lead-free crystal glass works well with whiskeys or cocktails to elevate their fruity aesthetic appeal. 10. Tiffany & Co.Diamond Point Double Old-Fashioned Whiskey Tasting Glass. Tiffany & Co.'s new Rocks glass is crafted from classic crystal while featuring a geometric design in the bottom half of the tasting cup. The lightweight quality contributes to its modern edge, making it perfect for whiskey lovers everywhere. Best Whiskey Glass Care Tips. Depending on the type of whiskey nosing or tasting glass you own, the maintenance and care could vary. Regardless, a few delicate tips to remember when washing your crystal whiskey glasses include the following. Dishwasher Method. Before you load the dishwasher, make sure to clean it. Some brands are not dishwasher safe, better to read or check first. Load your whiskey glassware carefully so that there is space between each piece. Make sure they do not touch one another, as this will break them easily. It would be best to leave these glasses in the washer for a few minutes before taking them out, or else they may get cloudy from being too hot. Hand washing method. To clean your whiskey tasting glasses, first, use warm water and detergent. Ensure you've spaced out the cups away from other ceramics or sharp objects. Next, gently rinse with a few drops of white vinegar to add shine before draining carefully. Finally, dry them using a soft lint-free cloth for best results. Polishing. When you clean your whiskey glasses, use a microfiber cloth. Wash the cloth at boiling temperature to kill all bacteria. Don't forget to avoid using fabric softener when rinsing it out. Be delicate with the stem of each glass, as not applying pressure between your thumb and index finger will protect it from breaking. Storage. It's recommended that you keep rocks glasses on top of a mina bar or inside the cabinet with their base up and rims facing down. Stacking them too close to hard surfaces like metal in the cabinet can cause damage, so it's better if they're kept further away from these objects. When it comes to precision and flavor, the senses will dictate, but the glass will help guide you through the experience. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more recommendations like this.